ICT Raj Solutions. As we promised that we shall always teach you how to use Excel, giving you new tricks in Excel. How can you manage your data in Excel? So today we are going to see how to sort my data. I have very many people there, but I want to sort them. Then again, we shall see how do I print my Excel work to fit in my paper. Let's say I'm going to print A4. How can my Excel work fit in that A4? So let's start with sorting. So sorting, we shall highlight it. After highlighting, then we come, let's say I'm at home. I will highlight. After highlighting, I'll go to data. So in data, there is this word called filter. So this filter, I will click filter. So after clicking filter, you can see there is this thing it has created, a drop down. So in this drop down, it's where I will click, okay? Let's say I want to sort people who are IT only. So I'll come and click and untick this all. Then I only tick IT. I only tick IT. So it will sort for me only people who fall under IT. So if at all I wanted only this data, I will come and copy this. I'll copy, then I'll add a sheet, then name it data IT. Then I paste my people here of IT. If I want them to be in equal cells, so I will just come and highlight using the top bar where there is A, B, C, D up to where I stopped. Then I right click on it. Then I click on column width. So I will say now column width was 8.43. Now I want it to be 20. Then I click OK. So it will make my columns, my rows equal. I want again to sort people who did finance. So the same thing, I'll come and highlight. Then I click sort. Then I'll go and pick people who did finance. Then I click OK. So it will sort for me those of finance. Then I'll copy. I add the sheet. I rename the sheet as finance. Then I paste my people of finance here. Then if I want the cells to be equal, I'll just come and click, right click. Then with this, we say 20. Okay, people, you are following me. Then if I want sort, so that's how we sort according to what you are. If they tell you to sort the highest higher, the female and male, let's say I'm going to sort only female. I'll click OK, then it gives me only female. If I want to paste somewhere, I come and add a cell, a sheet, then I rename as female. Then I paste my people here. Then I can make them have equal cells, which is our 20. So that's how we sort. So let's say my Excel sheet was too wide. I'm going to make the cells equal 20. Let's say how that is how my Excel looked like, and I want this cell fit in one page. So what do I do to make this cell fit in one page? So the solution is very simple. So you just come and print. You come to file. Then in the file, you click print. Then under this print option down here, I think people you can see, there is a word called no scaling. So this word called no scaling, there is a drop down. You click on that drop down. So in this drop down, we have no scaling. We have fit cell on one, fit sheet on one page. Then we have fit all columns on one page. Then we have fit all rows on one page. So you choose according to what you want. If I say fit sheet on one page, or I have how many words, or I have 1,000 words in my Excel sheet, it will make sure it compresses all my work into one page. If I say fit all columns on one page, it will compress all columns I have in Excel to one page. If I say fit all rows on my page, on one page, it will fit all rows to one page. So let's go start with fit all columns on one page. So when I click, you will find the UX looks like this. If you can see, you see all my work has been fitted to one page. Okay? Let's say I want it to fit in. If I had very many rows, I would have made it to fit all one row. Now, if I see the print preview, that's how it looks like. So that's how we usually fit our work on one page. So if they tell you to print your work as a PDF form, you just come here on file, then you print, then here on your printer, you choose PDF what? Printer. You don't choose any other printer apart from that PDF printer. So click the PDF printer, then save. You just give it a name. Like mine is that. You can even see down there is a PDF what? Form. After giving it a name, then you save. You look for the location. Mine is a desktop. Then you save as a PDF form. So if we are check what I have saved, it's here. It's here as a PDF what? A PDF form. So thank you for liking our videos. Thank you for sharing. We like you. Always share, like, and subscribe so that you can learn more with IT. Thank you very much.